I've finished shaping the bottom for this elliptical container, and the bottom obviously is an ellipse, and I made it so there were 20 sides equal to the number of staves. And I know that this is the bottom face. This is the inside face. And I've got axes shown here, so I know exactly where this bottom fits into the groove. Right there between these two number 1 and number 20 stave. So I want to roll this up and test that the bottom fits properly and all the staves will close up. So the first time I tried this, I had a little bit of gap. It didn't quite close up fully, so I took it apart and put the bottom on the workbench, and with a spoke shave I knocked off areas that didn't go deep. You can see these some of these lines that I left here where I didn't shave off anymore. Let's see if there's some lines here where I didn't shave because the protrusion into the groove was 3/8 deep. These grooves in the stave are 3/8 inch deep. So when I marked it with a pencil, I could see that sometimes it was only in about 1/4 inch. So I shaved the bevel just a little bit where they were not entering the groove far enough. So that's where this thing goes, and I want to try to lift this up and catch the groove like that, then roll it out Now I've got to pick this up so it doesn't fall apart. And get one of these temporary hoops, adjustable hoops, around this thing and tighten it and see if that closes up all the joints. So this is going down here to the bottom. I've got another one of these that goes at the top, and I'm going to start tightening this one. I just tighten like this. Now, let me see if it's on here straight. No, it isn't. So it's down further on this side than on that side. And let me tighten some more. That's closing up to here. I think everything is close closing up quite well. And eventually, when I glue this, I'll have it laid out, put the glue on the bevel edges, tight bond 3, so I've got some time, and then I'll put another one of these adjustable hoops up here at the top and tighten them both while the glue dries. Then I can smooth over the top, get that all flattened out, and also the bottom staves will need that kind of treatment. And that looks like that's going to work, and it's ready for gluing up.